Welcome to the Teams by Swivl video tutorial. To begin, you'll want to visit cloud.swivl.com to log in. Once you're logged in, you can view your profile under your login. Here you can see your email, the team owner, what team you're on, and whether you're a pro or a standard account. You can change your email and password under My Info. Check out the settings to see if you have your Zoom integration connected, and allow access to our Swivl support team. Under your login, there's a drop-down that allows you to upgrade, view My Swivl, access support, or sign out. On the left-hand side is the dashboard that you can minimize or maximize. Under the dashboard drop-down, you can see your most recent activity, which includes videos you've uploaded, videos you've shared, comments made, and videos played in their entirety. The dashboard drop-down shows you your most recent video activity, including videos uploaded, videos shared, comments made, and videos played in their entirety. You will see the 9 most recent videos that you or someone you know has interacted with. Let's take a look at My Projects. Here you will find both folders and your library. When you click on Folders, you can see all of the folders you have created in order to organize your videos. You can add a new folder by clicking Add Folder and titling it. Folders are not shareable. They are only for your own personal organization. When you go to Library, you will see any video you have created. In the library, you can add a folder, and you can also add a new project by recording or uploading a video. To open a video, click on the thumbnail. Once in the video page, you can edit the title by clicking on the pencil, changing the title, and hitting Enter. You can also edit the description and add video tags. Be sure to click Save when you are done. You can view statistics and speech analysis on this page as well. On each video, if you are a pro user, you will have access to a star or a light bulb bookmark. These bookmarks also provide sample sentence starters, should you choose to use them. These sentence starters and bookmarks are helpful when utilizing time-stamped comments. You can also leave a time-stamped comment without the bookmark. When you would like to share your video, click Share. Pro users can use Direct Share, Share to a group, Access and embed code, or Share via weblink. Standard users are able to share via weblink. Click Copy Web Link and paste the web link where you would like it to go. You can also edit a video. In the Edit menu, you can change the video thumbnail. You can trim the beginning and the end of a video. And you can cut out moments in time throughout the video. When you are done, click Apply and Save. You are also able to clone your video as a pro user, which means you can make a copy of your video. All users can download their videos as well. Here is one more place that you can send your video to a folder to keep them organized. Let's return to the main dashboard. In the Shared With Me drop-down, you can see your feed and groups. Your feed will show you all videos that have been shared with you. Groups are where multiple members of your team are able to share videos together. If you are part of a group, you are able to view the videos. If you are not a member of the group, you are not able to view any videos that are shared to the group. Groups are a fantastic resource for collaboration. You can create new groups by clicking Add New Group. You will enter the group name, a description, and adjust settings. Then click Create. Remember, to share to a group, you want to click on a thumbnail, click Share, Group, and select the group you would like the video to live in. It will also stay in your library. You can share a video to as many groups as you choose, but you may only share it one at a time. To use Teams by Swivl's screen recording feature, you want to go to Add New Project on the left side of your screen and click Record. You will have 3 different options. To choose webcam recording, select your audio and click Start Recording. When you are done recording, stop the recording and click Upload. You can also choose Screen Recording, where you select your audio, select your screen, and click Start Recording. When you are done, stop recording and click Upload. Or you can choose Screen+Webcam. Select your audio, choose your screen, click Share, and begin recording. Your webcam will appear in a bubble on the bottom left-hand corner. When you are done, click Stop Recording and click Upload. The longer the video, the longer it takes to upload. You can update the project name, description, and add video tags. Be sure to click Save when you are done. Welcome to the Teams by Swivl admin tutorial. To begin, you'll want to log in to cloud.swivl.com. In the top left corner, you'll see an admin designation. This is how you know you're on the admin side of your account. If you scroll to the right side, there's a drop-down menu that allows you to switch to the user side, upgrade, or sign out. On the left side, there's a series of drop-down menus. The first drop-down allows you to see an overview of your team. You can see the total number of members, the number of Pro licenses being used, when your team expires, and who the owner of your team is. The next drop-down is for the dashboard. The dashboard provides a variety of data. The recording overview shows the number of uploads, shares, comments, and plays from your team. This information can be sorted by week, month, or year. You're also able to see information such as who is the most active and who has been recently active. The streaming overview provides live streaming data. Here you can see information such as live streaming sessions and most active users. This data can also be sorted by day, week, and month. Under Statistics, you are able to see each member of your team and the number of videos they've uploaded, live streamed, shared, watched, commented on, and when they were last active. You are also able to download statistics from this page. The session logs show individual users and their battery levels when they began a live stream session. You are able to see their name, email, when they started their live stream session, and the battery level for the robot and each marker at the beginning of that session. Under the Team dropdown, you are able to view members of your team. You're also able to add new members from this screen. Simply enter their email, select a standard or a pro designation, and click Send Invite. From Groups, you are able to see all of the groups that have been created by you or someone else on your team. Click on Videos, and you are able to see every video that has been created by any individual on your team. When you click on the Setup drop-down, you are able to view any rubric that has been created for your team. You are also able to add a new rubric using one of our templates, or you may start from scratch. User labels are a way to keep your team members organized. To add new labels, simply click Add New Label. Video tags are very similar to user labels. They are a way to keep the videos organized. Team members label their videos with video tags created by you. To create a new video tag, simply click Add New Video Tag. Add as many tags as you would like and click Create. For security, you have two sides. The main side, which can only be changed by the owner of the team, and the sharing side, which can be changed by the owner or team admins. To make any changes on either side, you simply toggle on or off the feature. Finally, when you click on Subscriptions, you are able to see your most recent and past Pro codes that your team has used. This includes the number of Pro seats per code, who activated the code, and the expiration date of the code. You are also able to enter any new Pro codes for renewal purposes. Thank you for your time.